Technology and radiation are killing the birds in the sky, and those birds are now being replaced by bird-like drones. Strange, isn't it? Look at the sky. What actually looks like a bird might actually be a highly advanced AI-powered military spy drone. Welcome to the world of Ornithopters, or flying bird drones. For years, quadcopters with their spinning blades have dominated the sky. But they look loud, they are blocky, and let's be honest, they stick out like a sore thumb. But what if a drone could mimic nature perfectly? What if it could flap its wing, glide on wind currents, and blend seamlessly into a flock of real birds? Today we are diving deep into the mind-blowing technology behind Biomimetic bird drones. So let's get started. So what exactly is a flying bird drone? Simply put, it is a drone designed to mimic the flight of birds by flapping its wing instead of relying on traditional propellers or jet engines. Unlike quadcopters, they generate lift using rotational blades. These biological copycats generate both lift and thrust through complex wing movements, just like an eagle, a seagull, and a hummingbird. And while this feels like a new invention, the idea is actually centuries old. Humans have been obsessed with birds' flight for millennia. In fact, Leonardo da Vinci designed some of the earliest Ornithopters concept at the way back in 15th century. But Leo lacked one major thing, a modern tech. It wasn't until recently, thanks to breakthroughs in lightweight carbon fiber, high-density lithium batteries, miniature electric motors, and AI flight control system, that these mechanical birds actually took off. To fly like a bird, you have to master the four forces of nature: lift, weight, thrust, and drag. But the real magic happens in the wing flapping cycle. During the downstroke, the wings push downwards, generating maximum lift and forward thrust. Then during the upstroke, the wing partially folds to reduce air resistance, preparing for the next flap. To pull off this, engineers use biometric engineering, which is a fancy way of saying copying nature's homework. They study how an eagle glides, how a falcon dives, and how an owl flies in absolute silence, and then they rebuild it using robotics. The core technology relies on flexible wings made of carbon fiber frames, Kevlar fabrics, and polymer membranes, which allow for incredible maneuverability, lower energy consumption, and reduced noise. The most critical component is the flapping mechanism itself, a complex internal system of electric motors, gearboxes, and crankshaft linkage that convert rotational energy into a smooth flapping motion. But these drones aren't just mechanical, they have brains. Modern bird drones are packed with AI processor, GPS navigation modules, and advanced computer vision, including HD and thermal cameras. This tech allows them to autonomously navigate, avoid obstacles, track targets, and even simulate real flock behavior. Because of this diversity, bird drones generally fall into three categories. First, you have the fixed-wing ornithopters. They have larger wingspans and are built for long endurance, high-efficient gliding. A famous example is the Festo SmartBird. Inspired by the seagull, it has a 2-meter wingspan but weighs just 450 grams. It can take off and land completely autonomously, looking eerily realistic in the sky. Second is the hummingbird drone. These are micro-aerial vehicles that can hover, fly backward, and move sideways. Look at the AeroVironment Nano Hummingbird. It's tiny, ultra-agile, and designed specifically for indoor reconnaissance. Finally, there are predator bird drones, designed to look exactly like eagles, hawks, or falcons. These are the wolves in sheep's clothing, used heavily in military surveillance and wildlife management. There is even a consumer version called the Biomimetic bird that can control right from your smartphone. Now let's talk about why global superpowers like the United States, China, Germany, UK, and Israel are pouring millions into this tech. Because they use non-metallic materials and have a tiny profile, bird drones are nearly invisible on radar. They are incredibly quiet, and even if you see one, your brain just thinks as a hawk or a seagull. Militaries can use them for covert border surveillance, urban reconnaissance without raising suspicion, and even electronic warfare by packing them with miniature signal jammers and introspectors to observe enemy position without attracting attention. But it's not all spy games. Bird drones have massive civilian benefits too. In wildlife monitoring, scientists can study animals' migration and delicate ecosystem by close without scaring or disturbing the wildlife. They are perfect for environmental monitoring, like spotting forest fires or checking pollution in protected zones. In agriculture, they can inspect crops and monitor livestock efficiently. Plus, they have a much higher public acceptance rate. People get annoyed by a buzzing quadcopters over their backyard, but they don't mind a bird. Of course, mimicking nature isn't easy, and the tech faces some real challenges. The engineering is brutally complex. With so many moving parts, these drones suffer from high mechanical wear and tear, meaning they require a lot of maintenance. They also can't carry heavy equipments or payloads, and their battery constraint means flight times are often shorter than traditional fixed-wing aircraft. Despite this, the tech is evolving fast. For instance, researchers are currently studying the unique feather structure of owls to design drones that fly in total silence. Some experimental bird drones can actually perch on power lines or tree branches to recharge and spy for days. Future military models will use AI vision system capable of identifying vehicles, ships, and personnel in real time. Looking ahead to the next decade, the future of ornithopters get even wilder. We are talking about AI-powered bird swarms where hundreds of autonomous drones coordinate their flights just like a migrating flock. We will see solar-powered wings for long-duration surveillance mission, self-healing materials that can fix minor wing tear, mid-air and hybrid systems that perfectly combine flapping, gliding, and electric propulsion into an aircraft almost indistinguishable from a real bird. Ultimately, flying bird drones represent the peak of biomimetic robotics. By copying millions of years of avian evolution, we are creating a quieter, stealthier, and more efficient future for aviation. So, the next time you see a lone eagle circling above you, look a little closer. It might be just watching you. What do you think? Are you excited for the future filled with mechanical birds? Or is it little too Black Mirrored for comfort? Let me know in the comments down below. Until then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Machine. I'm Shreya signing off.